Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be alive. We got lots to talk about in this video. We're going to talk about FTX. Are they going to be buying Robinhood? So we're going to be talking about that, what's going on with that. Also, we're going to see that it looks like another centralized exchange has basically stopped all withdrawals out there. So we're going to talk about that and much more. We're going to talk about some, looks like we got a bump and run pattern forming for Dogecoin. So that is a bullish reversal pattern. So hopefully that will continue to play out, and we're going to see things going up right now. So also we're going to talk about what Gary Gensler said about Bitcoin and Ethereum. So that's going to be cool beans in the house. So there's a lot of stuff going on right now in the crypto world. Some of it positive, some of it negative. Also going to be talking about Celsius. What the heck is going on with Celsius? There's more evidence out there that they're going to be filing for bankruptcy in Chapter 11. And what does that mean to you and me out there who have some crypto stuck on Celsius? I mean, for me, I've only got crypto dust on Celsius. I've got like a total of like 24 bucks on there because I was lucky enough to get my crypto off in time. Some of you haven't been so lucky, so we're going to talk about that. And also, I'm going to tell you how you can secure your crypto in these turbulent times, guys. So let's jump into it without any further delay. Remember, none of this is financial advice, just an OG in-house expressing opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So let's jump into the content without any further delay. Guys and gals, do, if you've missed any of my videos, please go back to my channel page and go back and watch all of the videos, guys. Don't miss all of that, guys. And also, too, you may want to think about becoming a member. Go to the channel member tab and join up, guys. You get access to a private WhatsApp group, and there's there's about 200 or 300 messages going back and forth. So it's a good kind of forum. It's a good way to build community out there, and it's a good way to get some really key information and updates, guys. So that is a really good way to express yourself and basically be tuned in with the community. So right now we're seeing that the U.S. markets yesterday they were almost neutral, except for with the exception of the Nasdaq that did see about 0.72 in terms of tankage. We're seeing the pre-markets right now are also not looking too good. Remember, Thursday we have some important CPI data that's coming out. So you're going to see that most of the markets from now to Thursdays are going to be just kind of a little bit flat, guys, a little bit chip and chop out there. Chip and chop, like Chippendale out there. So from that perspective, and we did see that some of the geopolitical stuff that's happening right now, it looks like G7 nations to announce import ban on Russian gold. So it looks like, the G7 is now going to be banning all import of gold from Russia. So that is not good, guys. That is going to just put more pressure on the madman Putin. And hopefully he will get out of Ukraine soon, because I don't know what's going on out there. And also it looks like Russia, they have this whole historic debt default, and it's like the first time in history that they have missed their debt payments. So that is kind of interesting. So interest payments totaling about 100 million was due on May 27th and subject to a grace period which expired on Sunday. So it looks like, with all the sanctions that are going on, it looks like Russia's going to not meet those payments, guys. So that is the first time that has happened, guys. So that is weird and wacky. That's just going to put more pressure on the madman Putin to get out of town, guys. So we've got some really interesting stuff coming out on Thursday, July 5th. We've got, where is it? Let's see. Let's see, July 1st, Thursday. Here we go. So we got the core CPI data that's coming out at 8:30 a.m. on Thursday. Now it's Tuesday here in Vietnam, Tuesday morning. And so, you're going to see that the markets are going to be kind of quiet out there. So from that perspective, let's take a look at the heat map. Let's get you guys pumped up, guys. So, we are seeing that Bitcoin is down. It was up to about 21,400 yesterday. It slipped down almost like 900 bucks right now. So Ethereum is way below a $1,200 level as well. So that's not good in the house. So it looks like CoinFlex becomes the latest centralized exchange to halt withdrawals. And once again, it's liquidity issues, guys. Absolute liquidity issues out there. So once again, I'm going to toot the same sound and the same tune to all you out there, guys and gals. In bear market, the stupidity and the poor risk management often comes evident. So, they always say that bodies float the surface over time. You can't keep secrets forever. So you're seeing that, mismanagement and poor management in these centralized exchanges and lending platforms is going to start to bubble up to the top. We're seeing another centralized exchange. CoinFlex becomes the latest crypto to halt withdrawals. So I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, you've got to secure your crypto. Do it right now. You've got two options: software wallets or hardware wallets. Software wallets, Exodus, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Mycelium, do your own research there. And then if you guys want to have the maximum security, you can buy a Ledger wallet, follow my code down below, or buy a Tracer wallet. Also follow my code down below, get some discount. So guys and gals, it's so important that you secure your crypto right now. Do it now, guys. Do it absolutely now. Sure, when we're in the boom times and everything's going up, liquidity is not a problem, but it's a problem now, and we're going to start seeing more and more exchanges going down. So CoinFlex, their whole plan, their whole knucklehead plan out there is they're going to basically issue a token out there and try to raise funds with a new token. So that's just digging a deeper hole because nobody wants to bail them out. So if you're a CoinFlex holder and you have your crypto on CoinFlex, I feel sorry for you. I did warn you. Go back. I have been warning everybody for over, if you go all the way back since the Celsius collapse, I have been warning people about this, guys. And if you didn't heed my warning, you only have yourself to blame, guys. So I don't feel sorry, guys and gals. So it looks like Gary Gensler, he has declared that Bitcoin is the only commodity out there, and everything, including Ethereum, is a security. So this just came out. He basically was on. Gary Gensler said in Bitcoin example that crypto should be regulated under Commodities Futures Exchange Commission. Only Bitcoin, but every other token should be coming under him. So this came out on CNBC's Jim Cramer today. So that's kind of a revolution out there because everybody thought that Ethereum and Bitcoin was a commodity because his predecessor did say that Ethereum is a commodity. So that is another reason why we're seeing Ethereum go down a little bit. So it's a bit of a shell shocker out there. So big news. Is FTX eyeing a purchase of Robinhood? There was a lot of news that came out that said, yeah, FTX is going to be buying Robinhood. That is FUD. It is not true. FTX is not going to be doing an M&A on Robinhood. That is FUD right now, and it looks like FTX came out with a statement. But do keep in mind that Sam Bankman and FTX do own around about 7.86% of Bitcoin, of 7.6% of Robinhood is owned by FTX right now. So in the near future, could Sam Bankman and FTX buy the controlling share in Robinhood? It could be a possibility. It's absolutely could be a possibility, guys. So don't discount that. But right now, for this time, I'm telling you that that's not going to happen because a lot of YouTubers have been like flying off the handle and basically saying, yeah, FTX is buying Robinhood. No, it's not happening. Absolutely not happen. FUD. And guys and gals, if you're loving this content and loving these quickie updates, guys, don't forget to smash likes and subscribe. YB in-house. Also coming in, whoops, I missed this one. Also coming in, Celsius has hired a ton of Citibank lawyers to basically move forward with bankruptcy, guys. So from that perspective, what does that mean? Well, it means if they go bankrupt, you out there are going to be SOL, and you're not going to see light of day because what happens is the creditors get paid first and the customers are going to be the last person on the food chain. So from that perspective, there's been kind of a call right now. So lawyers have been hired, by Crypto Lending Celsius to advocate for Chapter 11. We know that. Bankruptcy according to people knowledgeable in the situation. You know that Alex Malinsky tried to leave the country. He got stopped at the airport. Shame on you. Rope on a soap for you and Dogecoin in the house. A 6-pack care package from the OG to the Dogecoin and the Alex Malinsky rope on a soap for your holiday at Incarcerationville. You're gonna love it, guys. So, but executives at the firm believe that many of the clients would prefer Celsius to avoid lengthy and painful bankruptcy. Sure, nobody wants bankruptcy because, the users out there, I've only got crypto dust on there, but the users out there, they're not gonna see light of day and they're not gonna get nothing out there. So there's been kind of a call right now that they want everybody, there's this whole movement right now that everybody should put their crypto in HODL mode, and that may help support Celsius. Now we also talked about Goldman Sachs raising $2 billion to buy Celsius, but there's nothing confirmed. That has not been confirmed. There's been no updates on that. I don't know if it's going to happen. I hope it happens because a lot of you are being held hostage by Celsius and Alex Malinsky. Rope on the soap, my friend, rope on the soap. So it looks like we also have some encouraging news. Looks like Grayscale has encouraged by SEC ruling ahead of Bitcoin ETF decision. So it looks like there was almost 12,000 letters that went to the SEC to ask for a spot ETF. So it looks like that we're going to have 99% approval of a first spot ETF by Grayscale. So that is a positive catalyst, absolutely a positive catalyst for Bitcoin. So if that happens, that's going to be very, very good, guys. So that is going to be cool beans and host. So let's hopefully Gary Gensler gets off the pot and starts to approve the ETF, because that's pretty good, because our friends, the Canucks in Canadaville, they got an ETF. Why the US don't have an ETF? So we're seeing that yesterday with the downward spiral of the broader markets and the stocks tanking, and we got the CPI core data, and people are kind of like, it's not going to be good out there. We saw that the fear and greed index went down, down. So guys, this contrarian indicator, buy the blood on the street, absolutely buy the blood on the street, buy the blood and ignore the FUD. So guys, I'm definitely going to be buying up more crypto, and on Thursday I'm going to be buying one more biddy. I don't care what the price is, guys. So this is coming in for the Doge Wozur right now. It looks like Doge Wozur has formed a bullish reversal pattern, and that pattern is a bump and run pattern. So we're seeing this whole bump, lead in, bump and run. So if this bump and run pattern does break out to the upside, and we're seeing right now the actual price of Dogecoin at the time of recording. So right now Dogecoin is down from our high of almost 8 cents in the house, and it's come down down to 0.69. So it's come down about 1 cent in the house. So that is not looking good. So if this bump and run pattern does play out, we could be seeing Bitcoin, Dogecoin going up to 9 and 10 cents in the house. So that is looking pretty good from that perspective. But the overhead resistance stood at 8 cents and then 9 cents. So So it looks like we've got beaten back and beaten down by the 9 cents, by the 8 cent resistance. So this is not looking good for Dogecoin right now. But we do have a bit of a bump and run pattern forming. So hopefully this bump and run pattern will play out, and we need basically Dogecoin to get ourselves back above 7.2 cents to start the run phase of the bump and run, guys. So we're seeing a huge triangle, upward triangle that's accumulating. So hopefully we can break out of that. We're hoping that the apex breaks out around about 0.945. So I still think that we can get ourselves to 10 or 11 cents. I'm still pretty confident about that. So like I said, Dogecoin is still respecting the trend line, but we still got this 0.799 purple rain resistance line. We need to get above that. Let's jump into the Bitcoin price right now. So Bitcoin right now is at 25.99. So we need to see Bitcoin stay above 28,800 in the house, and if we can't do that, then we could be going down and collapsing into my yellow line, which could take us back down to 19.6, guys. So a little bit of turbulence ahead. We saw that last week we did close the weekly candle in the green, so that is pretty good. And right now we are just below the minor capitulation line, so this is not good. We could be seeing ourselves going down to 19,000, guys. Absolutely, we could see it. So buckle up and hold the phones, guys. DXY is also going down slightly, but it's nowhere near the 99 cents that we need to get. Also too, we see that Shiba Inu is also just it's abusing my trend line. It's abusing my trend line. We need to stay above that. If not, we're going to go back down to 8 in the house, guys. So come on, Shiba Inu, woof woof. We're seeing Ethereum is below 1,200 bucks. We're seeing that a little bit of a sell-off, because we're also seeing that the reason that Bitcoin is down right now is because some of the macroeconomic things like Putin and the gold and the G7 banning the gold. But also, quite frankly, we did have a nice pump over the weekend. So one of the reasons we're seeing the dumpity dump, not a dump, but a bit of a sell-off. People isn't taking some profits out there. So this is also coming in right now. So just in, G7 calls for Bitcoin or crypto to be held to the same standards of traditional finance. Okay, but Gary Gensler, we need the regulation. Come on, man, we need the regulation. If we get that spot ETF, guys, that's going to be billions of dollars of institutional money could flow into Bitcoin, and this could be the catalyst that could take us higher and higher. Also, the very good news out there is we're seeing Bitcoin net outflows hit a new all-time high. So we're seeing the number of Bitcoin flowing off exchanges has never been so high. The last time it was this high was in 2018. So we're breaking records, guys. Absolutely breaking records like a madman out there. So that is positive news. So we're seeing that, what we're seeing is we're seeing a lot of positive news, but we're also seeing liquidity issues. We're seeing decentralized exchanges collapsing because of liquidity. And also we're seeing some DeFi also collapsing. It looks like bank Bancor as well is having liquidity issues out there. So that is, watch out for Bancor, guys. Get your money off Bancor quick, and get a hardware wallet, software wallet, guys. That is so important that you guys absolutely do that, guys. So like I said, I talked about this yesterday, but data shows that BTC must close above 21,820 to have a chance of advancing further. If we can't get above 21,820, that's it, game over. We could be going down to 10K, guys, absolutely. And also, Bitcoin needs to keep above the $20,800 support level for the bullish outlook to be validated. If we can't do that, then Bitty's going to go down to 19,000. That's a fact check. And if we can't hold the 19,000, then the next level is going to be 17, followed by 15, and then ka-chunka, we're going down like the Titanic, guys. So that is about it for today. I'm not going to talk about the leverage apes. We're going to talk about that in the next video. Let's take a look at the total market cap. So the market cap is not looking good. It dropped a ton yesterday, so that is not good. Almost $1 billion was wiped out yesterday, guys. So that is not good. We're at 885 billion. The volumes are light, so that is good. We're at 49.59, and the Bitcoin dollars went up yesterday. Ouch. So let's take a look at the carnage out there. So the carnage is not looking good right now. So we're seeing right now that Bitcoin is down 2.5%, still up over 7 days, but gingerly. We're seeing Ethereum is still up over 7 days, but it's down 3.88%, so it's not looking good, guys. We're seeing BNB, the Binance Beast coin, is down 1.81% at 232. We're seeing ADA is down almost 4%, and it's down for the week now, so it's not looking good for ADA. But their Visal testnet is about to go live, so that upgrade should be coming, and it's on time, so that is pretty good. Solana want to go down by the looks of it is at 37.48, and that's down 6%, not looking good. Doja Warrior gave back a lot of gains. It's down 17.34%. Ouch. Debbie Downer in the house. Wibby is also down as well. So we're seeing a lot of bleed out right now. A lot of gains have been given, so this is a good time to be buying the Whippy Whips, the double dip with chocolate chips, guys. So get it while you can, guys. Don't forget to go and follow me on my Twitter, guys. Don't forget to go boop the likes, smash the like, subscribe, and don't forget to go and check out all the links, guys. Get yourselves a hardware wallet. I'm begging you. Protect your crypto, guys. Become a Patreon member. Buy the channel a coffee. Do all that kind of cool woo stuff, guys. You're going to love it. I love it. And, guys, don't forget to check out the merch. We've got hats. We've got hoodies. We've got all sorts of cool stuff. So get it while you can, guys. So this is the OG, the Ric Flair of crypto, the Ice Baby of crypto, saying be blessed. Be careful out there. Get your freaking crypto off centralized exchanges on lending platform. Get them into hardware or software wallets. Do it right now. You're going to regret it. You will regret it if you do, guys, because when these exchanges collapse and they have liquidity problems, you're going to be the last one holding absolutely nothing out there. So secure your life savings, guys. Get ready to do that. So God bless each and every one of you. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.